Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to fix the access to this game is suspended error in Valorant. This usually happens when your Riot account is temporarily suspended or there's a problem verifying your game files. Let's go step by step. First, open the Riot client and make sure you're logged into a correct account. Sometimes switching accounts or using a VPN can trigger this issue, so disable any VPNs or proxies. Next, restart your computer and open the Riot client again. If the suspension message still appears, click the Settings icon on the top right, then select Repair under the Valorant tab. This will verify and fix any corrupted files automatically. If it still doesn't work, check your email linked to Riot Games. Riot usually sends a message explaining the reason for the suspension. If it's due to a temporary restriction, you'll need to wait until the given time expires. However, if there's no email or the ban seems unfair, go to support.riotgames.com, log in, and submit a support ticket explaining the issue. Make sure to include your Riot ID and a screenshot of the error for faster help. Lastly, keep your Vanguard anti-cheat active and updated, because uninstalling or tampering with it can cause access issues. After following these steps, restart your PC one more time and launch Valorant. In most cases, your access will be restored. Subscribe the channel for more videos.